Hi friends, in this video I will be showing you how I pulled the first proof of my Tribal Owl linoleum cut. Here I'm applying thin even coats of ink onto the Lino cut with my rubber brayer. Since I will be using more than one color ink on this linoleum block, I am careful to stay on the owl while I am inking him. Here I'm applying my second color to this linoleum block. Don't worry too much if ink gets where you don't want it to be. It's easy to touch it up before you go to print. Here I'm touching up where the lighter ink spilt into the darker areas. I'm using this touch-up time to refresh the black ink and be sure that there's a nice even layer for printing. I look over the block to see if there's any spots that need to be cleaned up before printing. For the proof, I'll print on an all-purpose paper. I'm going to print on my tabletop using a Baron and a wooden spoon. I check my print several times before pulling it fully off the lino. This way I can go back and press down any spots that need extra help transferring the ink. Now that I've pulled my proof, I can go back and see if there's any spots that need touching up or if there's anything I want to change about this linoleum block. Later, I removed the leaves and did other images using the same block.